Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, how to represent a file in Java which is outside the project. Let me answer. In Java, in order to represent a file which is outside the project, we have to pass or give the full path of the file. First, we have to create an object for the file predefined class, and in the file constructor, we have to pass the full path of the file. Then we can represent a file in Java which is outside the project by following this approach. Let me practically demonstrate this for you so that you will be able to understand the answer for this question in a better way. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE, and here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class with some random name, say 6. Okay. Here I'm going to represent a file in Java program. This is a Java program. In this Java program, I'm going to represent a file which is not there in this project. Okay. As you can see, this is a Java project that I'm writing the code in. Okay. In this Java project, we don't have any files. But the file that I want to represent in this Java project, Java program is outside this particular project. Okay. So how to represent such kind of file? So first we have to create an object for the file class. File is equal to new file. Like this, we have to first create an object using the new keyword. We have to create an object for the file class and import this file class from java.io package. Now, this constructor cannot be empty. In this constructor, we have to pass the argument as full path of the file, which is outside this particular project. So here in my machine, I'll take you to one location where you can find one file. For example, arun.txt file. Arun.txt file is a file which is there in the downloads folder. I would like to represent this particular file in this program. So for that, I need to give the full path of this file, guys. Okay, since this particular file is not there in the project and it's outside the project, I have to select properties. And here I need to copy the path of this file, copy this path and come back here and paste it here. Okay. The moment I paste that, here single backward slash will be automatically converted into the double backward slash. Why? Because in Java, inside the string text, you cannot provide a single backward slash. If you provide, you'll get a compiler error like this. String literals in Java will accept only double backward slash. This escape sequence, guys, though there are double backward slash here, it is representing single backward slash only. Okay. The paths in Java programs should have single backwards, double backward slash instead of single backward slash, where single backward slash in the string literal is not accepted and will give you compiler error. Okay. So you don't have to do any work here because Eclipse IDE is very smart that the moment you copy this file path from here, right click, gen, and then say properties. And when you copy this file path from here, and which has a single backward slash, when I paste it here, Eclipse IDE is automatically converting the single backward slash to the double backward slash. Okay. So now here I have to say double backward slash again after the downloads folder. And in that, the name of the file with the extension I have to give arun.txt here, right? The same thing here. Okay. So this is how we have to provide the full path of the full file path of this file, which is outside the project. Okay. If you want to represent a file in Java which is outside this Java project, then we have to give the full path of that particular file that is there in your machine like this, in this way. So then that will be possible. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. That is how to represent a file in Java which is outside the project by providing the full path of the file to the file constructor. We can do that. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.